I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make baklava at home from scratch. First, ensure your phyllo dough is thawed in the refrigerator overnight. You'll need about 1 pound. Next, finely chop 3 cups of your favorite nuts like walnuts or pistachios. Melt 5 cups of unsalted butter. Finally, gather your sugar, water, and any flavorings for the syrup, such as lemon peel or cinnamon sticks. Now, let's assemble your baklava. Start by generously buttering a 9x13-inch baking pan. Lay down about 8 to 10 sheets of phyllo dough, brushing each individual sheet with melted butter before adding the next. Then, sprinkle 1/4 of your chopped nuts evenly over this base. Repeat this process of layering buttered phyllo and nuts 3 more times, creating beautiful layers. Before baking, carefully cut your baklava into desired shapes, like diamonds or squares, all the way through the layers. Bake it in a preheated oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 to 60 minutes, until it's beautifully golden brown and crispy. While it bakes, prepare your syrup by combining 2 cups of sugar, 5 cups of water, and your chosen flavorings. Simmer for 10 to 15 minutes, then cool completely. Once your baklava is out of the oven and still hot, immediately pour the completely cooled syrup evenly over the entire surface. This temperature difference is key for absorption. Let the baklava rest for several hours, ideally overnight, allowing it to soak up all that sweet goodness. Garnish with extra chopped pistachios if you like, and serve this delightful treat at room temperature for optimal enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.